Hey guys, it's your boy Renzi Benzi and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to do some unboxing video of my new AirPods Pro. But before that, click the like, subscribe, and notif bell so that you'll be the first one to know that I have a new content here on YouTube. Okay, let's start. I've been dying to buy this one for one reason, the active noise cancellation. I love listening to music and sometimes listening to my favorite songs is therapeutical. I bought this at Power Mac Greenville Free for 14,990 pesos. Quite expensive, but it's worth it. Alright, let's open this thing. So the box includes the AirPods wireless charging case with the AirPods Pro inside, and a quick installation guide. I thought it also comes with the free Apple stickers, but no, it doesn't have free Apple stickers. Also inside the box is the Lightning to USB-C cable, so it charges really fast, and also includes the silicone tips, which comes with 3 sizes. Some of the key features of AirPods Pro are active noise cancellation, transparency mode, adaptive EQ or equalizer, Bluetooth 5.0, sweat and water resistant, and a whole lot more. Battery life is up to 4.5 hours of listening time with a single charge, and the wireless charging case can provide more than 24 hours of listening time. 5 minutes in the case provides around 1 hour of listening time, or around 1 hour of talk time. Well, there you have it. Thanks for watching my simple unboxing video of AirPods Pro. See you on my next video. Cheers!